Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to sell cryptocurrencies on Gemini. Let's get straight into the video. First, you have online selling process. Now for the online selling process, what you want to do here is to access your Gemini account online, and then once you're signed into your account, just click on trade or the buy sell option to start the selling process. And then you got to choose the cryptocurrency that you want to sell, and that will be whatever cryptocurrency you have. Could be a Bitcoin or Ethereum, Litecoin or whatever. And then just enter the amount of crypto that you want to sell, and then you got to choose the sell option. So it could be a sell or market sell. Just choose that, and then review and confirm the sales details. Now for mobile app selling process, what you want to do here is to access the Gemini app on your mobile device, and once you're logged into your account, you want to start the selling process within the app by tapping trade, and then just choose the cryptocurrency that you want to sell, and then you need to enter the amount of cryptocurrency that you want to sell, and just choose the sell option. So you could choose a sell or market sell, and then just review and confirm the sales details. Now a couple of sell options that you have. Market sell is where you sell your cryptocurrency at the current market price. For limit sell, that's when you sell your cryptocurrency at a specified price. That could be, $50,000 for one Bitcoin or whatever. And then stop limit sell, that's where you sell your cryptocurrency when it reaches a specified price. That could be $45,000 for one Bitcoin or 50,000 or whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to sell cryptocurrencies on Gemini. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.